We saw in a previous video that the area of a right angle triangle is half its base times its height. So what I'm going to do in this video is just look at the area of a non-right angle triangle. Now I have a non-right angle triangle here, so let's call its base B. So that's its base would be this distance here. And let's just drop a line from here down to its base at right angles. So this is a right angle here, this is a right angle here. So this line here is the height of our non-right angle triangle. Now what we've done effectively is divided our non-right angle triangle up into two right angle triangles. So let's call this right angle triangle number 1 and this right angle triangle number 2. Now also I'm just going to identify the base of each of these triangles. So this is base, let's say A, and we call this base C. Let's find the area of each of these right angle triangles. So the area of triangle number 1 is just going to be half times its base, which is A, times its height, which is H. The area of triangle number 2 is just going to be half of its base, which is C, times its height, which is H. So the total area then, the total area of our non-right angle triangle then is just going to be these two added. So it's going to be half times A times H plus half times C times H. So let's have a look at that. Now, if you look at both of these terms here, we have a term here and we have a term here. We have half and H in common. So we have half here, H here, half here, and H here. So what I'm going to do is factorize out the half H, and what I'm left with then is just A plus C. So this is just a distributive property, if you like, multiplication over addition. So what am I actually left with here? I'm left with a half times H outside the bracket here, and that's going to be multiplied by A plus C. But if you look at A plus C here, if you add A and C, you just get B here, the base. So we end up with half H times B, or the way I have it written up here is just half the base times the height. And this is the area. This is the area of any triangle, really. So it's the same result that I got in the previous video.